MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper and TireRack.com.
We all know how awesome it is to get an upgrade. Well, we just replaced our 2022 Kia EV6 with this 2023 Kia EV6 GT. And my oh my, what an upgrade! While the EV6 was a very attractive SUV by any measure, it clearly sheds the commuter car vibe for a much more purposeful design here, with the GT's lower stance and performance hardware on full display. And not only is it a more powerful EV6, it's the most powerful Kia ever, with 576 horsepower coming from a dual motor setup featuring a 160 kilowatt front motor and 270 kilowatt rear. That's 256 more horsepower than what we were dealing with in our EV6 Wind. But with the same 77.4 kilowatt hour battery, the GT is rated for just 206 miles compared to 274. Though as we've quickly learned over 1,500 miles so far, those miles are packed with a lot more smiles, and it's plenty to get most of us through a weekend's worth of errands. In our short time so far with this EV6 GT, we're finding that just like in our outgoing EV6 Wind, the range estimate is pretty spot on. Now I will say we're watching those miles tick off a little faster due to our inability to ignore that little voice telling us to trigger GT mode and go full send. But to be fair, that happens in gas-powered cars too. It's gonna be a great year plugging into this one. We'll update you on our Acura Integra's progress on the next MotorWeek long-term road test update.